This is a neat way to travel. Is it straight?
Here at Edwards Air Force Base, September 17, 1959 is a historic date. Early on this Thursday morning, the B-52 carrier takes the X-15 out for its maiden powered flight.
Hydraulic temperature, Scott? -2, and holding since we passed the tower.
Test pilot Scott Crossfield is buckled in and ready for a ride to 40,000 feet, where he'll be cut loose for the first demonstration of this plane's abilities and performance. Flying chase will be Al White, North American's alternate, Joe Walker, NASA's chief test pilot, and the Air Force project pilot, Major Bob White. All vital observers today. They'll be at the controls of the X-15 in the near future. Ground crews climb in a variety of vehicles and stream out to wait for landing at the edge of the lake bed. Many eyes are on the dart-shaped plane this morning, but among the most important observers are the engineers at NASA. Using the ears of radio and the eyes of radar, they'll keep a close watch on the flight. FM signals transmitted will indicate the condition of each vital operating system. Each movement will be carefully plotted, carefully watched.
Edwards
003, Edwards, cleared for takeoff.
Winds 220 degrees at 12 knots.
Prime responsibility for getting the X-15 to drop altitude rests on the aircraft commander, Captain Charles Bach, and the co-pilot, Captain Allaby.
Any tower, 003, rolling now.
As the bomber climbs out, the litany of checkout drones on, item after item. Gauge, switch, and control are checked and rechecked. In the dim interior of the 52, Bill Berkowitz, launch monitor, has a close-up television view of system operation. The group has been this route before. 2 tries, 2 misses. Delays are difficult to accept, but each time the system at fault was improved and a problem eliminated.
CPU is coming on now. First. On now. Real slow to pick up hydraulic pressure.
Blake, how about it? It's a little slow, but it's up to speed now.
It grabbed off in about 5 seconds, and it did go over 3,600. All flat, 510 on the tank. 3 minutes to drop. One to jettison. Fuel jettisoning. Full jettisoning. Okay, good check. Prime's coming on now. 6 call prime. Watch out, but I can't see it. Yeah, I got, you got a blossom on the bottom one? Yeah, they're both looking good. 30 seconds, get me ready to launch light. Put a launch light on. Launch light on, master on.
How about it, Blake? Think we're okay?
Ready?
All right, by me, let's go. Okay, Scott, let's give it a try.
Okay, Scotty, you ready? I'm ready when you are, buddy. Okay, here we go with the countdown. 3, 2, 1, release. Got 8 of them going. Roger. Heading uphill at 33,000 feet. Roger. It's good across the board. And I'm on number 1 and climbing to 35. Roger. Direction looks good, Scotty. Right on, you look real good. Okay, fine. Up on 50.
The course for this flight is a giant rectangle around the lake, climbing to the north, then making a left turn to a westerly heading, and leveling off at 52,000 feet.
Take a little speed, I'm gonna ease off. Right. Left turn. Right. I'm beginning to come around the final part of the turn. I dropped back in Mach number.
The record showed Mach 2.1, over twice the speed of sound, 1,385 miles an hour.
Run out. Right.
On the first try, man and plane went 1/3 the way to the goal of 6 times the speed of sound. As the X-15 slows to subsonic speeds, the chase planes catch up and the glide portion of the flight begins. Now on a southerly heading, Crossfield begins his long glide to landing from 46,000 feet. Time in the air is precious, and the checkout continues all the way down.
Roll probe. Steady side slip. Very powerful rudder on this little baby. Got ventral. Okay, buddy, just a second. 8,000. I want to drop it on the track. Here comes Central now. You ready? One, parachute. No, fouled up. Roger. You're fouled up? No, the parachute. Well, it's open. It's letting it down. How nice. 245. It's pretty good crosswind, isn't it? Little bit, yeah. 240. Still 240. It looks good. Nice and easy, Daddy. Shot 210.
Maiden flight, a success. Today, flight research took another significant step forward here at Rogers Dry Lake. This lake bed has witnessed many significant events in the history of aviation. Born this day was a new tool for flight research. Using a new machine to probe into the unknown calls for caution, and weeks later the second flight showed that the performance could be repeated and excelled. Digesting the knowledge from these first tries, the program became more ambitious, and another step up the ladder was planned, one that would extend the operating area.